Alright guys, hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about our new feature in our terminal for Polymarket. Let's take a look. For those who aren't aware yet, the terminal for trading on Polymarket, what are its main advantages and features? Let's go over them. Here, with just one click, we can do scalping trades, and we can also trade spreads here. We offer a wide range of highly specialized and unique services here. We provide comprehensive analytics designed specifically for deep diving into digital wallets and tracking major whales. Additionally, we have sophisticated services for in-depth market analysis, and we also feature advanced services for AI-driven predictions of various financial markets. But most importantly of all, we provide highly efficient automated copy bots for our users. And now we've created a new feature, the signal bot. Let's take a look. I'll start. This essentially means that, to put it simply, you are going to find these digital wallets that you want to follow, but you don't want to connect a copy bot so that trades are copied automatically. You just want to receive signals in Telegram about who made which trade. That's why everything is set up very simply. Click to connect your Telegram bot, click connect to Telegram. Now Telegram has opened for us. This is exactly the way you will be receiving signals later on down the line. Let's take a look. So now that we've connected everything, how exactly do we add a whale? Well, let's say we decided to look at a specific wallet, for example this one, yes. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Here are its key performance characteristics. This impressive total profit and this consistent overall win rate. 13 closed. Positions can be copied like this. Let's take a look at his trades. Well, let's say we want to track all trades over $100,000. That's it. Now we navigate back over to the signal bot and simply click on the button that says add whale to proceed. If you could please just give me one brief moment of your time, I will be right with you as soon as I finish this task. I truly appreciate your patience and understanding while you wait. Let's copy the wallet itself. Then give it some name. A description for yourself so that it's clear when you get a message in Telegram what it's about. Well, and this is the main thing, meaning we want to see the trade. Single trade, or for example from an amount of $10,000, meaning any trade from $10,000 and up, a single trade. So you'll receive a Telegram message either about accumulation, meaning the whale is accumulating with small amounts in one market on a single outcome. As soon as the position, for example, exceeds $10,000, you will see it. A signal will come to Telegram. Click and that's it. It's been added for us. This way you can add a huge number of whales and all of them will be sent to Telegram. That's basically it. Everything is quite simple, just keep following along in Telegram and manually. Then you go in and copy if needed or just monitor things this way, and that's it. Well, that's basically it. This was a short video. Go ahead and use it. It is completely free. Absolutely free. You can add any number of whales. And make sure to keep track of your digital wallets. That is all for now.